Hey guys, Henry here from ProductCreationFormula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 of the best unrestricted PLR sites online in 2021. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at ProductCreationFormula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now in this particular site we're going to be looking at a place called digitalproductspro.com. Now I'll leave a link for this down below. It's not an affiliate link. In fact, none of these links are affiliate links. They're just there to help you out to be able to get to the site quickly and easily. Now I'm just going to be showing you this one in particular, as it has 100 unrestricted PLR ebooks and you can download those for $15.97. We can have a quick look at the site if you wish to, and you can go for free content if you wish to, premium WordPress plugins, you've got websites for sale, designs, SEO and traffic, relax zone, articles, ebooks, software, templates, graphics, audios, videos, and also there is an affiliate program if I wish to join it, which I probably will later on, but right now this is a non-affiliated website down below. So you can download this at 100 unrestricted PLR ebooks. Now you can imagine the sort of things you can do with that and how much you could change it up, you edit it, make it completely yours and unique, and there's so many things you can do with it. Okay, let's go check out the next site. Alright, now in this particular site, it's called PLR Content Source, and as once again, I'll leave a link down in the description. And with this particular one, you get 242 quality products, unrestricted PLR, and as you can see, massive unrestricted PLR niche ebooks. And because they're unrestricted, it means you can literally do whatever you want with them. You can even sell PLR rights to them as well as master resale rights and resale rights, personal use rights. That's the beauty of having unrestricted PLR, is you have the freedom to do whatever and there is no issues with it. Okay, so that is this one. Now we can do a little bit of a site tour. You've got content by categories, you've got content by types. Let's have a look at content by categories for a start. This is PLR Content Source, and you can go for business and marketing content, wealth and success content, self-improvement, health and fitness, family relationships, home environment content, leisure time, photos, and content isn't just king, it's the kingdom. Grab all the content on this site now for a fraction of the cost. And there you have it. So now how much is this one? This one here is $39.95, but you get 242 quality ebooks. So this one here is PLR Content Source. Let's move on to the next one. Now this particular one is massive with what you can get here. Now this one here is unrestricted PLR articles in Clandestine PLR it's called, and once again link is in the description. Now let's go down to the bottom here, let's scroll down and have a look at all of these unrestricted 780 unrestricted vacation PLR articles. Now this one's primarily unrestricted PLR articles, but you literally get thousands of them. Have a look at this. It just goes on and on and on. I'll just grab it over here and just drag it all the way down to the bottom. And as you can see, even though I'm dragging that down reasonably quickly, it's still going. And you can get each one for approximately $3.50 per article. Now 500 unrestricted home improvement articles. You get 500 articles on that. You can easily create an ebook out of that. And there's a whole bunch of different kinds here. So you can have a quick look at this one. And you can have a look at the PLRs. You've got your PLR articles, you've got your premium PLRs, and then you've got your ebooks, and you've got reports and graphics and your e-courses. You also have reseller rights for things, as well as master reseller rights, etc. So you can go to this one and go to your PLR articles and so forth. And this one here is Unrestricted PLR Articles, and as you can see, there are hundreds of them. Hundreds of different kinds. So yeah, jump in and have a look at that one. It's called Clandestine PLR. Once again, the link is in the description down below. Okay, let's go move over to the next one. I've been a member of this particular site for quite a few years now. It's called QualityPLR.com. Now, this one here, you've got all sorts of different PLR packages you can check out. Not everything is unrestricted, but in this particular case, they do have a good variety of unrestricted PLR. For example, if you go to this one here's PLR products, you've got unrestricted. You go over here to niche products, you'll most likely find an unrestricted link in here somewhere. Let me just have a quick look around. There it is, unrestricted PLR. This is in PLR articles, and you can check out that. And these guys have hundreds of different ones as well. And of course, yeah, you look at those. Got 10 unrestricted travel PLR, 50 unrestricted children's discipline PLR, and you got 185 pay-per-click PLR articles, niche marketing, Christian, retirement, chocolate, and the list just goes on and on. And even niches you probably may not have even thought of. Unrestricted plumbing PLR articles. Unrestricted PLR articles for chiropractors, seniors, life coaches, and you can have a look at older ones as well. So this one here is called Buy Quality PLR, and each one has their own individual prices. So you can go have a look at that. And once again, link is in the description down below. Let's head on over to the next one. Okay, now this one is definitely really cool because what you're getting here is free PLR. Free unrestricted PLR. And that is the beauty of it. Now let's have a look at this one. Just to show you that it actually is unrestricted, even though it says PLR rights. It's called freeplrdownloads.com, and the link will be in the description down below. So I'll just click on this one here for a second. Alright, so as we scroll down, just be aware there's going to be a number of download buttons here, because the reason why this site is free is because they advertise a lot of Google ads on their site. And for that reason, whenever anyone comes onto the site, anyone sees one of these ads, they end up, or clicking on any of these ads, they get paid. And so the one you're actually looking for is the one, not this one here, because that's for this ad up here for Grammarly. It's this particular one right here. You see, you scroll on top of that one and it goes black. That is the one you'll need to download from, because all the others are literally ads. So this one's for an ad, this one's for an ad, but this one here, and that's an ad as well, this one here is the one you'll want to download from. So that's how you do it, and this one is called freeplrdownloads.com. Once again, link is in the description down below. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these sites. Alright guys, and if you also know of any other sites that you can think of, let me know down below. Especially if they sell unrestricted PLR sites. I might even consider looking at it myself. Okay guys, have a great day. Bye for now.